Hey there, this is Kevin here from MaximizingEcommerce.com. I help people build e-commerce businesses that they can be proud of. Now, if you're selling on Amazon, you've probably noticed there's this new inventory performance metric that we're being held to, and it can have ramifications on how much inventory you can keep in stock and things of that nature. So I'm going to show you behind the scenes on mine, where I'm doing well, where I'm not doing well, and where I foresee working on this. So let me just go ahead and get into this. So I'm going to share my screen with you here to show you my inventory dashboard. So as you can see here, my inventory performance, I got a score of 527. It's been steadily going down, and some of that is I didn't time the Chinese New Year well enough to some of my relatively newer SKUs that are doing pretty well. So I've got 4 SKUs that are selling pretty well that aren't there to move. And so I'm not exactly sure how they came up with this number, but they're saying my in-stock rate is 69.35%, which puts me in the bottom 40% of sellers. So I don't want to be up there. I want to be here in this green zone, or as opposed to in this red zone, although I'm not sure if you can see my cursor. But you can see here where it says in-stock inventory that I'm basically hovering between red and yellow. I don't want to be in the red. I want to be higher up. So Amazon's giving us a score here to help us know how to manage our inventory. You can see it's based on the excess inventory. Sell-through, they just recently added this. It used to be only 3 metrics that were on here, and then now stranded inventory. I'm pretty good about making sure whatever I send in, I've got SKUs for and it's properly labeled. That one should be a pretty easy one, in my opinion. Maybe you know differently. Leave a comment down below if you do. If you're having problems with stranded inventory, I haven't had too many issues with stranded inventory. I'm usually able to fix it pretty quickly. And then in-stock inventory seems to be what's really hitting me pretty hard. So this also the sell-through seems to be a down point for me because I'm in the yellow of 1.0 units sold divided by average units, inventory units average. So yeah, it looks like something I need to work on. I've got some SKUs that aren't selling very well. I've got a pretty big portfolio of SKUs. Some of them are selling really well, some of them not so much. So probably might actually have Amazon send me back some of the ones I put in a fulfillment order to have a whole bunch shipped back to me. Because there are some that I'm probably going to end up paying a lot of money in long-term storage fees because they're not really moving the way I'd hoped. But that's the way it works sometimes is, you know, you put out a bunch of SKUs, some work really well, some don't. But this is just a little bit of behind the scenes of what I'm seeing here as far as our what we're being judged on, so to speak, what we're being held to. So hopefully you find this to be helpful. And if you did, please leave a comment down below and click the little thumbs up icon so that we can let you know, or actually, if you could subscribe to the channel and click the little notification bell, then YouTube is going to let you know when more videos come out. So hopefully that was helpful to you to at least see this inventory performance. Again, it seems like the big things are managing the amount of inventory you have, not running out of stock, and making sure you don't have too much selling through. I try to manage my not having too much in stock by keeping my garage full, but sometimes I get it right and sometimes I don't. So constantly playing with that. So if you have any tips on what you do to manage your inventory, please also leave it in the comments down below. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found it helpful, and I'm going to wish you well on your e-commerce journey. Take care. Bye-bye.